In this video, I am sharing with you that how you can run your Capcut with VPN, which VPN you have to use to run Capcut. I am telling you in this video. I am opening Capcut to show you Capcut does not work with this. You can see this Capcut say no internet connection load. It means it does not work in our internet. It has to use a VPN. So I close the Capcut and you have to just download a VPN that's called E1 VPN. You can see this E1 VPN. You have to search this just in any browser. E1 VPN beta. And when you open this website, you see the downloading option. Just download this for window and you set that. When you connect this VPN, Capcut will run smoothly and it does not create any problem. This is the very simple and you can use it.